In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Add Profile Picture in Outlook. Keeping your Outlook profile photo current makes it easier for teammates and contacts to recognize you in emails, meetings, and chats. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Focusing on the web experience and pointing out where things appear in the desktop app. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser. Once it's open, look for your profile picture or your initials at the top right corner of the window. If you are using the desktop app, that icon appears in the top left. Click it to open your account menu. From the menu, select My Profile or My Account. Both options take you to the page where you can manage your profile details. On that page, move your mouse over the current picture area. You'll see a small camera icon or a change photo option. Click that to begin updating your image. Next, choose Upload a new photo. Your file picker will open, letting you browse your computer. Select the image you want to use and click Open. For the best results, pick a clear, well-lit photo with your face centered. A simple background helps, and a square or close to square image often fits nicely without heavy cropping. After the image loads, you'll see tools to adjust it. Use the zoom or crop controls to frame your face so it's centered and not cut off. Take a moment here. Getting the crop right ensures your picture looks good everywhere Outlook displays it. When you are happy, click Save. That's it. Your new photo is now set. It may take a few moments to sync across Outlook and other Microsoft 365 apps. So don't worry if the change doesn't appear everywhere right away. If you are on a work or school account, your organization may have guidelines or restrictions for profile photos. If you can't change it, check with your admin. Otherwise, you can always return to the same menu to update the picture again in the future. And that's how you change or add your profile picture in Outlook. Thanks for watching.